So we've got other car than usual. This is a 2017 Toyota RAV4 2.5 hybrid, 197 horsepower. This will be the spark plugs change. So here are the recommended spark plugs. Here's the number of the spark plug if you would like to change it yourself. What you need is I believe it's a 16, yes, you can see here a 16 millimeter socket. It has a rubber band inside, so it's dedicated for spark plugs to get it out of the hole. So let's check the spark plugs themselves. They are packaged individually. Like so. Let me unbox one. So this is the better version. Again, you can see the name of the spark plug, the iridium one, and this is recommended for the car. I believe the original Toyota OEM one has even the same code or very similar code to this one. If you go to Denso's website, you will find the same ones, and I recommend it to do it for yourself because they might have changed something during the year models or so on, but as far as I know, these hybrid engines use the same stuff for years. And the spark plug taken out over here. Okay, so let's take the cover out. There we go, the coils. I will clean the engine after, and the coils are straightforward. Just push on the top, pull up. 10 millimeter bolts on the coils, and they should pop right out. Very clean and nice, no problems with it. One of them came out without rubber, so make sure you put it back in over here so it's sealed from the debris. Pretty long thread. And it's the exact same one. I don't know if this car had them replaced before, but it's exactly the same one. It must have been replaced because the original one should be a Toyota branded, and they look pretty good, I guess. Dry.